PassCo Educational Services. The PassCo suite of software helps students to prepare for various examinations. Students practice by doing potential exam questions. Students' work is graded based on approved syllabus. Performance analysis modules helps to identify the students' strengths and weaknesses. It helps prepare students acclimatize to exam conditions. Students increase their knowledge in the subject matter, and students' confidence levels are raised. Software include the online version, which can be accessed from a web browser on any device. The desktop version, which is installed on computers running Windows operating systems and does not require internet access. PassCo for mobile apps is currently available on the iOS and Android phones. PassCo offers an SMS service where students can receive questions on any simple phone via SMS text messaging. The underlying magic that makes PassCo work well is in the PassCo engine. It makes PassCo scalable and easy to build from examination to examination, country to country. Access to PassCo software is secure. There is a built-in invigilator that ensures a strict time regimen and an examiner that grades and analyzes students' work. Best of all, PassCo is run on synced databases, making updates and upgrades efficient and seamless. Let us take a look at PassCo online. Type in the address www.passcoafrica.com. That is www.passcoafrica.com. Click on the PassCo online menu at the top. To request a 7-day trial period, click on the Request a 7-day trial button. Fill in the form that appears and click on the Send Request button. Sign in to PassCo online by clicking on the Sign In button and entering the exam, your email and password. Enter the email test@test.com, and for the password enter test. Click on the Sign In button. This is your PassCo online dashboard. At the top left is the performance dial, which lets you know how well you are performing on the whole or in each subject. Below the performance dial is the rank section. This indicates to you your rank in performance on a subject-to-subject basis as compared to other users. Top right is the countdown clock. This shows the time left you have to access PassCo online. Below the countdown clock is the exams counter. This keeps score on the number of exams taken in each subject. In the middle is the list of previously taken exams with corresponding information. To take an exam, click on the Take an Exam button. Choose the subject and the period and click Start. The section A, which is the multiple choice section, is loaded on the screen. Simply go through the questions and select the option that you think best answers the corresponding question. You have the option to take a break, save and continue later, or submit your answers. To pause, click on the Take a Break button. A pop-up counts down the time left for your break. To come back and finish at a later date, click on the Save and Continue button. To check your performance in the different subjects since you started using PassCo, click on the My Performance button. You can select the subject you want to review by selecting it from the list. For each subject, it shows some statistics and displays a progress graph. To see the history of exams you have taken, click on the My Exams tab. Here you will see a list of exams taken with some details. You also have the option of retaking any exam. Let us go back and complete the exam we had saved earlier on. Click on the Uncompleted Exams button. A list of uncompleted exams pops up. Select the one you want to complete by clicking on the Resume button. Go through the exams and finish answering the questions. When you are satisfied with all your answers, click on the Submit Your Answers button. PassCo grades your work and displays your scores. It also integrates with social media. If you so desire, you can post your performance on Facebook or share it on Twitter. When you are done, log out of PassCo